Hello friends, in this video we're going to discover this brand new NexTool Gemini. Welcome to this new video. I'm very excited to test this new tool as I think it is quite unique. Let's unbox it first and then let's see and let's discover everything about this product. You can see it comes in a really nice pouch. It ships for about $60 and it contains 13 tools, and the most unique one of course is a thing I never saw before, electric screwdriver built in a multi-tool. It is a little bit heavier than a normal multi-tool, but of course here you have the motor. It is 128.8 millimeters long, 35.1 millimeters wide. It weighs 271 grams and it is made of a 30 CR13 and 420 J1 steel. So the slogan for this multi-tool is where power meets precision. So you still have your manual plug pliers, which are spring-loaded of course, but you also have your electric screwdriver. So you can see here's a charging port with USB-C charging, and here is the direction. Of course we're going to test those, and then for the screwdriver we have the USB-C charging cable, and then here manual. Here's the bit set. So you can see those are all quite small bits, as you say, for precision. It's more like working on electronical devices. The motor of this screwdriver is a 170 RPM motor powered, rechargeable with a 230 mAh lithium battery and an all metal gear driver. It has a consistent torque for accurate screwdriving and the grip is sweat resistant. It's like a little bit coated, I would say. Now first let's try the pliers. Good to know is that the bit size is small, so you can use the default bits that you use in your typical screwdriver. As you can see, that doesn't fit at all. I don't think the motor would be powerful enough either. So you can see this isn't the work where you will use this multi-tool for. Now this is the kind of jobs where it is designed for. So let's try to undo this screw first. And now let's switch to a flathead. Now of course this is out of the box. I would have to charge the device first. And here we see the needle nose pliers with wire cutters that can be replaced. It is spring loaded. For the force, let's see how it performs. So that isn't ultra sharp. But it does work. Then further, let's close it again. We have the scissors. Now let's see how those work. like you would expect for a small scissors. It worked like all the small scissors that you will know of the smaller multi-tools. Then we have this can opener and bottle opener. Now we have this very big flathead screwdriver, which you could also use as a prying tool. Then there is this big Phillips screwdriver. And then there is this blade. You can see it locks in. It feels quite sharp. And here's the locking mechanism. Now let's test the blade as well. Now you can hear that as the motor sits up right on the same side as you would push, the motor could activate when you use the knife. In my opinion, it would be better to have some kind of locking mechanism for the motor so you won't press it accidentally, or to place it elsewhere where you don't put your hand when you're using the knife. But this said, for a multi-tool, the blade is really large, so it is handy to use, and the access is good as well. You can easily get it out. Feels light. Now the funny thing about the tool is that the description that comes with it doesn't correspond at all. All kind of different tools explained right here, but of course most of the tools will explain themselves. So all by all, I think it is really original, handy to have lying in your drawers, and typically the tool that you would use for those precision jobs when you have to open up some kind of household device or do some small electrical jobs. So thank you NexTool for sending me this. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.